Hello everyone! Kumusta kayo? Ang sabi niya, namimiss ko daw bang mag-design? Oo nga naman kasi dati architect ako, ang trabaho is design and all that. Ngayon, project management is more on paperwork at saka pumupunta sa site. Sa akin, I'll be a hypocrite kapag sinabi kong hindi. Kasi parang nasa nature na natin yun, di ba? Kaya mo kinuha yung course na yun kasi mahilig ka sa design and all that. Pero kahit noon pa mang nasa college ako, I am more technical than my other friends. I enjoy detailing more. At saka, I like being exact with everything nung nag-aaral ako. Kaya I was having a tough time figuring out perspectives and all that kapag gumagawa ng perspective. Palagi kong iniisip, no, but hindi siya, how to make it exact, ganyan. And then I was told na, okay, if gusto mong maging exact, do isometric views. But then it's not as pretty, di ba? So ngayon, para mailabas ko yung mga creative juices, I decided to do painting and sketching. I'll show you. I have one here. Like that. It's not done yet, pero you can see the idea. Dati kasi wala siyang damit. Kaso, ang problema, sabi ko baka maban ako sa TikTok or sa YouTube. Kaya nilagyan ko siya ng konting drapes around. So, yun ang ginagawa ko. So, I still miss it, pero I don't think I'll be going back to the architectural firms anytime soon kasi mas nagugustuhan ko yung ginagawa ko ngayon dahil I have a work-life balance. Work-life balance. Ang pagdating ng 4:30 or alas 4, nasa bahay na ako and I can turn off my phone if I want to. Hindi kagaya kasi nung nasa private firm ako, kapag mayroong deadlines na binibigay yung owner, I have to stay late. Ganun ba? Kasi bilang architect, you will be responsible for the dates and the deadlines that were given to you. Pero ngayon, dahil I work on the owner side as a project manager, I give the deadlines. So, it makes a much difference. Kapag medyo bata-bata ka, mamimiss mo talaga na I don't think others will be able to give up design. Pero sa edad ko ngayon, gosh, I'll be turning 47 in January. I value work-life balance more. And then, para mapunan yung pagka-miss ko sa design, I do painting, like acrylic painting or watercolor painting or sketching, just like what I showed you earlier. Sa ibang friends natin dyan na nag-switch kagaya ko, from architecture or engineering to project management, namimiss nyo ba yung dati yung trabaho? Namimiss nyo ba yung mga mga firms nung kung saan kayo nagtatrabaho dati? Ano yung mga namimiss nyo? Usap tayo kasi parang feeling ko ako lang mag-isa na nag-switch. Hindi ko alam kung may iba rin bang gumawa nito. Although alam ko marami, pero I don't hear from them. Most of the architects and engineers, they love their profession and they never even think about switching to project management. Have a beautiful day and follow for more.